If you are trading without trading strategy, or if you are a beginner in trading on the Forex market or any other trading market, it can happen that you start searching for signals on the internet, finding trading gurus to show you what is the time when to open the trade, when to open a sell trade, when to open a buy trade, when to open a pending order, for example. You find one of the gurus on the internet, or you find more of them, and you try to follow them because you would like to make money by trading. And it is very hard for you to start trading on your own because you are not experienced, you do not know how to predict the market, how to analyze the market, and you would like to simply get the signals and open the trade based on them. So you have found some of the trading gurus on the internet because you have seen that you have seen the comments on the forum, on the websites, on probably one of the ads that is running during your visit on the internet, searching on the internet, and you decide to follow one of the gurus and open the trade when the guru says sell or buy. So, for example, let's say we open a sell by market and currently we are waiting for the market to move in our direction. And you open several trades of these, following these signals from the trading guru. And what happens after that? Several trades are in loss, so you decided to wait and check a little bit again about that trading guru. And then you close the trade and then open a second trade again because trading guru said please open a sell order because the market will move down. So you open blindly sell order. And after a while, you close that order again. So you turn around and you see that your account balance is melting. It's going down, not go up. So you start to think about why this is happening, because I have found this trading guru. He tells me when to open a sell or buy order. It should be profitable, so I'm following its rules. I'm opening a sell order when he tells me, but each time the trade has been closed with a loss. So what happens during that time? Most of the time, trading gurus, if they are not very good, they sell trading signals for money, but they are not successful. If you take a look right now, I have opened a few sell orders because I have followed the strategy and these sell orders were bad trades. So my account has been being melted down step by step, and eventually if I start following even more this trading guru, probably I will end up with losing complete my account balance. Now, this can be annoying, especially if you are trading beginner, if you do not understand trading activity and how to analyze the markets. How to solve this issue, how you will follow the trading guru who is not profitable, or how to find a trading guru that will help you to trade profitably. Well, it's not easy to find a trader who will give you signals for free or with paying with a subscription fee, monthly or yearly or weekly. It's not very easy because the traders who are profitable will less likely spend their time selling their trading signals for money, because if they are successful, they can easily make more money. But there are also traders who are really honest, and even they are profitable, they like to share the knowledge with others, helping the others, sharing their trading signals, and also eventually making money on the side together with the trading activity, because some of the traders would like to get some of the money as an investment for their trading account balance, so they can make even more money with less trading if their account balance is large. So there are several reasons why the trading gurus or the traders would like to share their knowledge with others by sharing their trading signals. Your goal in your trading activity should not blindly follow trading gurus, and that is because you should not open these trades simply by following their signals if you do not that trading guru. If you know him and you are following for a very long time and you see these trading signals are profitable, and you make the analysis that most of the time when the market was moving down or up, his trading signals were on time and in the right direction, which means if you open these trades, they would be profitable. So if you have that kind of trader, you could also decide on your own to follow this trading guru for its trading signals. But most of the time, what you should at least learn how the market moves. For example, if the market moves, you can see how the market moves down, 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 even more down. So probably there is less likely opportunity that you should open a buy order because it will be against the trend. This would be one of the criteria that you could follow if you are follow some trader. You could put your own trading rules and avoid blindly following trading guru signals, which means if he says go buy now with the take profit right here, it will be completely against the trend, so it will be probably a bad signal in the future, and the trade could close with a loss because the market could continue to follow the trend and go down. This is one of the steps that you could also reduce the number of signals which are against the trend and which are the bad signals. Now, if you have a possibility and you are able to do that, you could also learn your own trading strategy, at least, for example, putting a support and the resistance levels or here on the chart to at least see where the price could stop, where is the support or where is the resistance. Making support and resistance levels are one of the best ideas to start trading, and how to learn how to put them. You can also check the playlist on my YouTube channel where you can see how to put this horizontal support and resistance lines and this brown area, which is a supply demand zones around these horizontal lines. Now, with those tools, with the support and the resistance levels, you can easily spot where the price could turn around. For example, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see where the price is stopping. This is a resistance, this is support. So without blindly following the trading guru signals, you can add your knowledge here, your trading analysis, to reduce the number of bad trades if you see that your analysis is showing correct and positive results. It is annoying to follow blindly trading gurus which are bad, and it's not easy to find a trading guru that is good with good trading signals, but you can do that eventually by looking and making filtering the bad trades from the good trades and selecting trader who has been profitable in the long run. If you have any questions regarding this lesson, I hope it was helpful. Feel free to share that below in the comments. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.